Alright, Tommy Retro here. So I was on Facebook Marketplace, just checking things out, and I found a guy who had posted a couple days ago Commodore computers for sale. And so he's got two Commodore PET computers, which they look like the later model ones, like the 4032, and a Commodore 128 and a disk drive and some miscellaneous stuff. So I contacted him because I've got another Commodore PET 4032 that I'm working on, and I thought, well, let's see what kind of deal we could put together. Anyways, I made him an offer on everything, and he took it. So I'm heading out to pick it up. So going to be about an hour's drive from where I live, but it's ought to be pretty interesting. So it looks like it's going to be two Commodore PETs, which he says he doesn't know the operating condition of them. He says the the Commodore 128 is in the box, and the disk drive is in the box. So we'll get there. We'll meet up with this guy. We'll see what we got. But for the money, even for the for parts, it's all worth it. So it's all good. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I was doing some more thinking about it, and the Commodore that I have at home, the Commodore PET that I have at home right now, is an 8032, so it was the 80 column Commodore PET. And the one I'm going to pick up now, or the two, are 4032, so they'd be the 40 column version. So I think the way it worked, and I'll check this all out, but I think the original Commodore PET was just a Commodore PET. There was no model number with it. Came in a metal case. I think later the Commodore PET 4032 and 8032 came out. So you had the 40 column version and the 80 column version. And then I think they came in plastic cases with the same look. So we'll verify all that, but I was just thinking about that, still en route to meet up and acquire these Commodore PETs and the Commodore 128. So we're about halfway. Alright, we're coming down the home stretch here. Google Maps says we're about a quarter mile away.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Park Avenue.
There it is, right on cue. So we're about a quarter mile away, and I'll be looking out for the address here, so I'll make the pickup. If it seems like I can film in there, I will try to do it. Otherwise, I'll show you what we got when we leave.
Turn right onto Park Avenue. Continue on Park Avenue for a half mile.
I've got an 8032 at home. The 80 column version of this, I think the same thing. So, I don't know. More stuff to do. I got more projects. I really need to come out and do what I made a little bit. Oh, shit. No, I don't have that. Yeah, the PET would have been in the 70s, so that was before my time too. I don't know when the Alright, so we made the pickup. I've got the Commodore pets in the back strapped in. We got the Commodore 128 and the disk drive there, another like a parallel printer interface, and then he had some Commodore posters. So he's got some posters there. So we'll pull this stuff apart later, see what it's all about. But nice pickup, really nice guy, and not a bad trip out here. So now I'm going to head back. Going to be about another hour, and we'll look into this stuff. Alright, so I made it back home, and here's what we got. We got two Commodore pets, model 4032s. So again, I'm gonna do some research on this, but I think these are the 40 column version. Then they had like an 8032 that was the 80 column. So got two of those. I'll bring them inside, let them warm up, test them out. Got the Commodore 128 in the box there, the floppy disk drive here, and then this this bus card 2. It looks like it's some kind of it says here IEEE 488 bus system with parallel printer and cartridge expansion ports. So I have to do some research on that too, but not bad. this will be fun checking this stuff out. Again, this is Tommy Retro. Thank you for watching.